Hey, good afternoon. This is Trader Tim, eMiniMind.com. Today's December 5th, 2016, doing a Monday market analysis video. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. As you can see on the E-mini S&P, we've pulled back to the large daily 50% broken out and come right back to the recent resistance level, now acting as support, 2185 area that we talked about as a potential scenario for what might happen if we were to break out and get some sort of a pullback. Typically, these consolidation levels, previous highs, will then act as support. We can break out, pull back to that level, and look at this area for a re-entry long. The target above us, 2240, is simply 23.5 roughly percent beyond previous highs. So we expect the market to move there potentially in the next coming couple of weeks, also known as a Santa Claus rally as we head into the Christmas holiday. Today's gap up with selling into the close, we're about 40 or so minutes away from today's close, and a little bit concerning having the market gapped up and not be able to sustain a nice trending environment to the close. If we look at a 5-minute chart from today, you notice we didn't break yet the low from this morning. We have just kind of drifted lower all day long. So in this last 30-40 minutes into the close, it's possible that the market rallies up to new highs. But even if we close anywhere in the upper quarter, upper third of today's range, I would see that as quite bullish. If we continue slumping lower and either close right near where we opened, as the candle looks right now, or break down below lows from this morning, then it'd be a little bit more of a concern. We could kind of see a little bit of a widening formation occurring up here. But I like to see some follow through, especially off of a gap up of lows off of a support level. Going into this week, we can expect, continued trading opportunities like we've had last week on the 512. Things have looked pretty good. Later on Thursday, I believe, we've got jobless claims in the morning, but not a real busy week in terms of news. If we take a quick look at the S&P, we can see the volume pretty low today. The Dow was continuing basically its rally, its trend on pretty good volume. The Nasdaq looking much weaker, kind of just moving sideways from the August consolidation. And then finally the Russell, which is now being kind of overshadowed by the Dow in terms of the leader. The Russell has pulled back a little bit and started to resume its uptrend. If we flip back to the Dow, you can see there was really no pullback. We're just continuing higher. The VIX declined again today and has continued trending down all day, which is a good sign for the bulls. If we can break down and get into the 12 or sub 12 level, then I would definitely look for a breakout to be occurring in the S&P. So that's kind of a outlook on the coming week. Lots of good trading setups to be had. Tune in over at eMiniMind.com/VIP if you want to check out the live trading room on Tuesdays. Hope you have a great week, and we will talk to you soon.